after lunch. Then evening 4 o'clock, I took a tea with biscuits. After that,
I have online classes. And 1 to 2 it's lunch break, and 2 to 4 again online classes are being conducted. And then from 5 to 6 I played cricket, sir, on my terrace. And then 6 to 7 I just relaxed and had my
in the some project. So according to that books, computer science or some artificial intelligence books, some software book we are reading it. I am reading it every day, and some motivational speeches also I will listen every day. Kampa Nageswara, he is a good speaker, and some Telugu books also is there. I read it every day, 1 or 2 pages. Something we know every day, little bit. Yeah.
Fantastic, sir. That was such a wonderful presentation, and you have discussed so well with your speaking partner in the breakout room.
Yeah.
Have you not? You have discussed well. Next, Uma ma'am,
yes, sir.
over to you. What have you done in your conversation with your speaking partner?
Sarita, my speaking partner is.
Yeah. You have been assigned with 2 questions. What have you done today? And why is it important to read the books? So please tell us the outcome of your discussion.
What have you today? I woke up at 5:30. At 5:30, I completed my natural activities. Then I sat in meditation for half an hour. I read the book for 20 minutes. After that, I go to kitchen. I prepared coffee. I drank coffee. And then I did puja. I took bath. After that, I did puja. Then I prepared breakfast. I made idli with
10 seconds, last 10 seconds.
After that, I went to market. I bought vegetables and eggs. Returned back to home. Returned to home. I put vegetables in the fridge.
So now let's do one thing. For 2 minutes again, all 4 of you will be taking participation. You are doing the discussion on the importance of reading books. Prakash will start, and all of you should initiate your discussion. You cannot be quiet. Andaru kuda ee group church lo meer participate cheyali. That I will observe. Okay. So Prakash, Ganesh sir, and Uma ma'am as well as Charita, these 4 will be doing this group discussion. Your time starts now.
Sir, every day I will read minimum 1 or 2 books according to my project, and as well as impact classes and motivational books mainly related to the motivational books. It is very helpful to me whenever I am in any phase.
మాట్లాడాలి మిగతా వాళ్ళు, సమయం లేదు, ఇంకా 2 నిమిషాలే ఉంది ఇంకా.
Okay.
It was very nice, sir. Sir, why we read?
That will help to get more knowledge.
We can read the books. We get knowledge a lot.
Yes, sir. We learned many things, and we also know how to be in the society and what is good and what is bad. And we also know many moral values,
Ethics.
And we also know about science and technology and how the country was get developing.
Reading books is very important in our day-to-day life, sir. We gain a lot more knowledge by reading books. Of course, when we go to library, there are many types of books like academic books, scientific books, weekly magazines, etc. If you go to library and we read a book, we are gaining knowledge from every point of the world. We needn't to go and see what's happening there or what had happened there, what is the fact, and we didn't conduct experiments. We can just read books and gain knowledge.
Yes, obviously it is correct. And
Okay, I
we
need-
all and we also develop positive character by reading the books.
Yes.
That's it.
Even Bill Gates reads a book a day. Sir.
Time's up. Thank you very much. Today is day 7 for our free spoken English classes. We welcome you to this, and this is going to be an excellent job for us. We are all learning English language, and so each time when we really make good progress, we feel much confident, isn't it? మనం ప్రయత్నం చేస్తూ ఉంటే మనకు కొంత అందులో ఫలితం అనేది వస్తూ ఉంటే కొంత ఇంప్రూవ్మెంట్ కనిపిస్తే we feel more confident. ఆ కాన్ఫిడెన్స్ తో మరింత మనం ప్రయత్నించడం వల్ల మరింత మెరుగైన మనకు ఫలితాలు రావడానికి ఆస్కారం ఉంటుంది. కాబట్టి ప్రతిసారి మన ప్రయత్నాలు మంచి ఫలాలు రావడానికి అనేటువంటి ఉద్దేశంతో చేద్దాం. సో లెట్ us వర్క్ ఆన్ దిస్ డే 7. Activate speaking is going to be for 1 minute. The first question is, what do you do in your free time? మీ ఖాళీ సమయంలో మీరు ఏం చేస్తారు? This is the task. I would like to start this with Ganesh sir. Sir, over to you.
Sir, usually when I am free, I listen some motivation classes or motivational songs or any new books reading mainly, or mainly news debates is there. News debates, mostly I will look at it. Samuti and some all there. They will go and ETV also. There is a big debate session every day. Around 7:30, 8 o'clock. They will conduct it. I listen on that thing, sir. Mostly.
Fantastic, sir. Thank you very much.
Because,
Now,
they will,
yeah, go ahead, sir. You have 20 seconds.
because without we don't have any experience, when we are listening the debates, we'll get more knowledge. That is the main advantage in debates, sir. Because there the panels are the more intellectual and more experts. They will discuss within a platform, so we'll get more knowledge on any topic.
Thank you.
Yes.
very much, sir. Thank you so much. Charita, next speaker is Charita.
Yes, sir.
Have you seen?
When I am free, I will spend maximum time with my family, and I watch movies and listen songs. I play with my sister, and I played chess with my brother, and I went to I visit the temple to get peace. That's it, sir.
Charita, you have got 30 seconds.
Yes, sir. And I also try to read newspapers, sir, but it is not available to me. And I also talk with my grandmother for a while. What, sir?
Turn on your videos. Thank you very much. Next, Uma ma'am.
Sir. Usually, free time, I watch YouTube channels, cooking channels. After that, I prepare tasty dishes. Then my cooking my hobby. I prepared some new dishes and taste them. When I am free, I go to temple. I'm free reading books. Then how to improve English. Then I practice much time. How to build up vocabulary. How to speak speaking practice. That's all, sir.
Time's up. You have used 1 minute exactly, ma'am. Great. Prakash.
Yes, sir. Sir, in my free time, I first just open my YouTube and I see that new videos are uploaded. See whether if they are uploaded. From the starting day of these classes, I subscribed many news channels like ABC News Channel, CNN News Channel, and today I saw many of the videos in the channels. In my free time, I play chess or I see movies and read books, and I play cricket with my brother on terrace. If I am very tired, I just sleep.
30 seconds.
That's it, sir.
Kishore, finished?
Yes, sir.
There is some technical problem from your end. Right. Second question. Ganesh sir, again, get ready. So what are your favorite movies?
Okay. Because of mostly I'll see old movies mainly, and any historical movies and comedy movies mainly. I'll look at it, sir. I'll see. Uh, may,
Still have about 30 seconds, sir. So why do you watch those movies? What is so important for you? Historical.
not,
So what do you find from them? You can explain all those points.
just historical means why it means our history will we can know it, sir. Without our history, past history, we cannot recognize who is our what is it called who is our suppose if you take a Gandhi, you have to who is Gandhi, and now is a people, now is a students. They are just having a Gandhi story is there, but what is the struggle he was faced? They don't know. So if you go in behind, many things are there. Even old movies also, India or some old movies, a lot of historical things is there. So we have to learn Kakatiyas and all the things will know. We can know it, sir.
Answer. Thank you, sir. Next, Uma ma'am.
Yes, sir. My favorite movies are Vishwanath direction movies. His direction is wonderful. His ideas, his creation is very good. That movie characters also decently dress up. Songs is very good. That movies are we learn moral and ethics values. I love very much Vishwanath sir direction movies. That's all, sir.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Next, Charita.
Yes, sir. My favorite movies are comedy movies and family oriented movies and historical movies, sir. When I saw comedy movies, I got lot of fun and enjoy a lot to see that movies. And when we get moral values by seeing family oriented movies, and I got some knowledge from by seeing historical movies like Gautami Putra Satkanni and Saira Narsimha Reddy, like that. And I like mostly the Surya movies, sir, because I liked him most. That's it, sir.
Wonderful, wonderful, good experience, and your tastes are very, very peculiar. Great. So, at last, Prakash. Mishra ji, good evening.
Yes,
Good
sir.
evening, sir. Good
Sir,
evening.
before joining into RGKT, sir, I used to just see Telugu movies. But the time after I joined RGKT, my friends has changed my favorites. They introduced me English movies like Marvel movies, the Avengers movies, uh, Harry Potter series, WandaVision series. Now I'm seeing Game of Thrones, sir, Loki episodes, etc., etc., sir. They just made me fond of those movies, sir, because we students, we are being attracted to scientific movies. It means they may not be real in real life, but uh, it is not very something that we can't believe. It can be done, but in this technology it is not possible, so we are very attracted to those movies, sir.
Great. So you have your own justification for why you just watch such movies.
Yes, sir.
Thanks. Now, Mishra ji, we have initiated this talk. You have used 1 minute very well, Prakash. So, Mishra ji, we are doing this task, just a minute task. First question we have finished. If you can, please present what do you do in your free time quickly.
What do you do in your free time?
Yeah, this is my question for you. Can you please answer that?
Yeah. Yes, sir.
Turn on video. Turn on video.
Sir, actually network issue. So please. In my free time, I prefer to write poems and write the motivational things for my students, and I plan for better tomorrow. And also I teach my son Sudarshan, who is in class 7th. These are the tasks I do in my free time.
Fantastic, sir. Next, second question. What are your favorite movies?
My favorite movies are Titanic and Avatar. And these movies, Indian movies are also, but there are so many Indian movies which I like that.
Thank you, sir. Time's up. Thank you very much. Now, the third question. Who is your inspiration in life? Now, it will be started by Umama.
What are you saying, sir?
My father is inspiration to me, sir. When he ever tells us life is very short, ever tell good things. He tells us moral ethics, how to society you lead in life. I can any problem. He solved that problem. Simply tell that how to manage life, how to lead to life. Every situation is many situations are coming to life. How to solve it. Be positive thinking. Take it easy policy.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Your time is up.
Thank you, sir.
Great. So you have been inspired by your father. Great. Let us give class kudos to your father. Great. Great personalities make great people. So this is proven here.
Thank you, sir.
Ganesh sir. Our next speaker will be Ganesh sir. Who is your inspiration in life?
Sir, yes, my father is inspiration for me. When he was started in 1950s in a industry here, there is no industries in surroundings for agricultural purpose. There is no equipments. Up to before 50, there is only bullock agricultural by bullock only they are done. After 52, he was introduced mechanization in agriculture. One by one, he was introduced. many things. For that, we got a gold medal also. And in Gudivada, there is a industrial estate for agricultural purpose industries. Every agricultural industry is designed by the government. He was designed the industrial estate, and at the time many.
Thank you, sir. Time's up. Great.
Oh, yeah.
So that must have given a lot of backup to the people in the nearest villages, as well as that must have boosted up the agricultural sector in Krishna district. Well,
Yes, sir.
and you are so
Yes, sir.
inspirational to many people in that context. Kudos to you, sir. Great. Thank you very much. Now, Srikanth Misraji, what's your question? Answer for this question. Who is your inspiration in life? Can you hear me, Srikanth ji?
Am I audible, sir?
Yes.
Okay. So my inspiration in life is my brother, and every time when I feel that I should be got motivated, then really all of a sudden he motivates me in the right direction. And every time when I start the business and when I was preparing for my job, then he inspires me so that I can do my efforts more better. Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. Very good. Fantastic, sir. And your time is also up. Now, Prakash.
My parents are my inspiration, sir. Actually, when what they says that if it is not serious, also any problem, you have to just tell me. Then we will just solve it together. That's it, sir. Not only his words, sir, but also my father. I don't. Every work he does, it inspires me, sir. He does every work in a very new way, innovative way. That's why it inspires when I see his works. Not only my parents, sir, my teachers, my friends, on YouTube, many persons inspires me a lot, sir. Means social media inspires me a lot because in the world, all people are not the same. They do very, very special things which can't be done by common people. Those people inspires me a lot, sir.
Great. Thank you very much. Thank you so much. Now, Charita.
Yes, sir. My inspiration is Ansar Sheikh, sir. He is a UPSC aspirant who managed to clear his examinations in one attempt, sir. And he was the youngest IAS officer. He achieved the IAS goal at the age of 21 years, sir. And he was son of auto rickshaw driver. He prepared for UPSC exam by working in garage, sir. So he was my inspiration.
Yes.
Great. So
Yes.
people on the earth would really create great people. So this is one such example. So great persons stay always healthy and great. Thank God. So with this positive note, with this confidence and a lot of commitment, let's go to the next slide. Today's topic is very important here. How to express necessity and obligation. మనం మామూలుగా నిత్య జీవితంలో అవసరాన్ని తెలియజేయడానికి కొన్ని ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్స్ అవసరం మనకి. అంటే అవసరం అంటే నాకు పలానా అవసరం ఉంది, ఈ పని చేయాలి. అలాగే ఆబ్లిగేషన్ అంటే that comes with responsibility. Obligation is nothing but responsibility. When we are accountable to do something, obligation rises up. So how to express necessity and obligation is very important, is something that is being discussed in this day 7 module. Necessity ni obligation ఎలా తెలియచేయాలి? First, number 1 చూడండి. Please take a look at that. Have got to. This is the expression. Please write down have got to. Have got to అనేటువంటి ఈ phrase ని మీరు ఉపయోగించడం ద్వారా ఎలాంటి అర్థాన్ని అంటే what kind of meaning would you probably convey? Otherwise, with which meaning would you convey this particular one particular idea with this particular expression? Have got to is something that is used to indicate necessity or obligation. ఆ ఒక అవసరాన్ని లేదా బాధ్యతను తెలియజేయడానికి చేయవలసినటువంటి కర్తవ్యాన్ని తెలియజేయడానికి మనకి ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఉపయోగించాలి. ప్లీజ్ లెట్ us write a letter. Have got to shows necessity or obligation. How? For instance, tell me one necessity that you have to do. For example, I have got to, I have used this expression, I have got to go. In this sentence, మనం ఏం తెలియజేస్తున్నాం? నెసెసిటీ తెలియజేస్తున్నాం. I have got to go. అంటే నేను వెళ్ళవలసిన అవసరం ఉంది. ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ we are all discussing at this moment. During this conversation, some of you might get a call, very important call. It is very important that you should take leave, all of us, from this session. Then you can use this session. I have got to go. So by adding have got to go, have got to, you will indicate that it is necessary to go for me. This is the meaning. It is necessary to go for me. నాకు వెళ్ళవలసిన అవసరం ఉంది. Can you give me one sentence with she? ఆమె వెళ్ళవలసిన అవసరం ఉంది. ఆమె stands for she.
Has to.
Has.
For she we use has. And same formula is applied here. Has got to is common. వెళ్ళాలి, which word will use? Go. She has got to go. So here, this is completely different, which gives specific meaning in this sentence. Third example, Ganesh sir, కారు కొనాలి. That is necessary for him to do his field work. Ganesh sir, కారు కొనాలి. He wants to buy a car.
So, why?
That is necessary. How would he say that?
I have. Hmm.
Ganesh
Has to buy.
has got
to buy.
Got
By?
to buy a car.
a car. This is the formula. So, has got to is a very interesting phrase. This formula, if you can use, you can indicate necessity in your communication.
Sir, అదే నేను చెప్పేటప్పుడు I has got to buy a car.
Look at the first sentence. For
I
I,
have.
always we use have.
Okay.
Got to buy a car. This is the point.
Okay.
I got to buy a car. అందరూ చెప్పండి వేగంగా, please, all of you, please say this. I got to buy a car.
I
got to.
I have got to buy
I
a
have
car.
got to buy a car.
I've got
I got to
I
buy.
have got to buy a car.
Now, I would like to ask you to change this scenario. I have used buy, but can you use another example, another verb form? You can give me, Charita, one example, please.
I have got to teach a class.
I have got to teach a class. Fantastic. Which means it is necessary for you to teach a class. Thank you very much, Charita. Next, Prakash.
I've got to go to hotel.
I got to
Hotel.
go to
Hotel.
Sir.
hotel. Do you mean this? Do you mean hotel?
Yes, sir.
Keep a A there. I've got to
Yes,
go
sir,
to
hotel.
a hotel because I am hungry.
Yes.
I am hungry. I should eat something. నేను తినవలసి ఉంది. అవసరం ఉంది. I've got to go to a hotel. Please pronounce HOTEL. 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 Okay? It's not hotel. Hotel. Hotel.
Hotel.
Example number 3. Now, Ganesh sir, it is your turn.
I have got to go to industry.
Excellent. I have got to go to
Industry.
the industry.
Industry. The industry. Okay.
The industry. Okay. Specific place where you go usually.
Okay. Okay.
And Uma ma'am,
My husband has got to build a building.
my husband is he. So you have used the auxiliary verb perfectly. My husband has got to is common. Yeah.
Build
Building.
a building.
Okay, please repeat again, ma'am.
Build a building.
BUILD, isn't it? That's build.
BUILD.
My husband has got to build
Build a
a
building.
బిల్డింగ్. చిన్న ఒక మాడిఫికేషన్ చేద్దాం ఇక్కడ. బిల్డ్ ఏ బిల్డింగ్ అనడం అంతగా రిచ్ గా లేదు. దీన్ని మనం ఏం చేయొచ్చు అంటే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అనొచ్చుగా.
Yes, yes,
దిస్ ఈస్ మోర్ అప్రోప్రియేట్ ఏమండి
yes, yes.
దాన్ బిల్డ్.
A building.
కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ అంటే ఇక్కడ కొంత వెసులుబాటు ఉంటుంది. ఇట్ ఈస్ నైస్ టు బి యూస్డ్ హియర్. మై హస్బెండ్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ టు బిల్డ్. ఇన్స్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ సేయింగ్ బిల్డ్ వీ కెన్ సే కన్స్ట్రక్ట్.
Construct a building.
కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ బిల్డింగ్. ఓకే అంటే
Sir, ఇక్కడ
It is
V1
necessary.
వస్తుందా, sir?
it is necessary that we need to construct a building. We want a building for us. Ma'am, ask me question.
Which you use V1 verb form, sir.
Which one, ma'am?
Go.
Yes, that is V1 only. By also V1 form. Now I have used by, you have used go. And Mishra ji, can you change the verb? And you have used construct. Build, CONSTRUCT, construct. Like this, you can expand your vocabulary. If you read verb forms, you can change different sentences. Mishra ji, your sentence.
Yeah, I have got to make matar paneer.
I have got to make, wow.
Make
Ah,
matar paneer.
Butter.
butter, paneer.
Yes.
Okay. Mutton paneer.
Matar paneer. Sir.
PUTT here, butter.
Butter? Is it not? But you said mutton?
Butter is also okay, sir.
Oh, all right. Okay. So here the special word is make.
Make.
Sir has provided us with a new word. Like this, friends, keep learning vocabulary. Develop your words. Activate your words. Verb forms are action words. They indicate our actions. Here I have introduced with one particular formula, that is have got to plus verb first form, verb form. That's it. This is going to be very much useful to you today onwards. You can make use of this in all your contexts. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, so it indicates obligation also. Yes, it is obligation. For example, Ganesh sir has an industry. He has to go and then give his keys in order to, start the work. So all workers and all engineers come there, and then unless he goes there, the work process doesn't start. That is his obligation, Bhadita.
Yes, sir.
And Uma ma'am and her family, they have got to construct a building because they can't stay in a tenant. They can't be like tenants forever. They can't stay in somebody's house. That is the obligation for the family. And Mishra ji has to make mutton curry. He likes it very much. Otherwise, he does not eat anything else. Mutton curry లేకపోతే కష్టం ఇంకా ఆయనకి తినడం కష్టం. అందుకని mutton curry, he has to make mutton curry. So that is his obligation, or whatever he makes. So it indicates both necessity and obligation. పిల్లలు పెంచడం ఆబ్లిగేషన్, కూరగాయలు తెచ్చుకోవడం ఆబ్లిగేషన్, ఇంటికి ఎవరు పని వాళ్ళు రాకపోతే ఆ రోజు ఇల్లంతా మనమే మాపుకోవడం ఆబ్లిగేషన్. మరి పాలు తెస్తే బయట పెట్టినప్పుడు వాటిని విధిగా చక్కగా సోప్ పెట్టి వాటర్ పెట్టి క్లీన్ చేయడం ఆబ్లిగేషన్, తలనొప్పి వస్తే టాబ్లెట్ వేసుకోవడం ఆబ్లిగేషన్, పక్కన వాడు బాధపడుతుంటే కాసేపు ఓదార్చడం ఆబ్లిగేషన్. డియర్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, హౌ మెనీ ఆబ్లిగేషన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్? If you think like this, you can apply this rule and you can use anywhere. So people in distress, people in need, and our household chores, ఇంటి పనుల దగ్గర నుంచి మన యొక్క వ్యావహారిక విషయాలు, మన ఉద్యోగాలు, and where we work, and whom we meet, and what we eat outside, and where we have to go. ఈ రోజు బ్యాంక్ వెళ్ళాలి, I must withdraw some amount, or I must have to deposit some amount. All these are obligations, all these are necessities. So you can think of this rule. And the second one, let's take a look at the second formula. It's necessary for me. Use have to. Again, it is a byproduct. Same అర్థంతో have to కూడా యూస్ చేయొచ్చు మనం. అదే గణేష్ గారు యూస్ చేశారు ఇందాక. So we can use have to also in the place of have got to. So the second the rule is, the second formula we are learning, have to, which can be used to indicate necessity, అంటే అవసరాన్ని తెలియజేయడానికి మనం have to యూస్ చేయొచ్చు. అంటే చేయాల్సి ఉంది, చేయాల్సిన అవసరం ఉంది అనేది. Tell me one example, Ganesh sir. Any one of you, please.
I have to
do my
listen
homework.
classes.
I have to listen. Listen ప్రక్కన to పెట్టాలి. I have to listen to classes.
Classes.
నేను వినవలసి ఉంది, అప్పుడు మాత్రమే పాఠం అర్థమవుతుంది. What is being taught can be understood. I have to listen to all the classes. Listen to the class. Now, here the classes you can also keep the here. I have to listen to the classes. Next, Prakash, one by one, give me one example. Please take pen and book, write your example and speak it out. That's all. It gives confidence. If you cannot directly say, write it on the paper and then tell me. I will type here. That's your contribution. Prakash, repeat once again.
I have to do my homework.
I have to do my homework. Yes, thank you very much. Next, quickly. No, ma'am.
I have to swear to the statement.
They have to swear. అంటే ప్రమాణం చేయాలి, అంతే కదండి? They have to swear.
To the
Right.
statement.
They have to swear, let us say on the statement.
Okay, on the statement.
Statement. ఏదైతే వాళ్ళు చెప్తారో దాని మీద వాళ్ళు ప్రమాణం చేయాలి. That's they should be accountable for it. They have to swear on the statement. Next. Here you have used a different verb, swear. Good, ma'am. Very nice. Next.
I have,
Thank you, sir.
Mishra,
I have to complete my job in time.
I have to
To complete
Complete
my job in time.
my job
Job
in time. Yes, fantastic, sir. Good. Very, very excellent sentence. Next one.
I have to reach my office.
I have to reach my office. Would you like to say time? Like on time
On time.
or in time? Like this?
Yeah.
That's up to you. Friends, let us pick out the verb forms all of you have used. In the first sentence, Sarita used to listen. In the second one, Prakash used to do. In the third example, Uma ma'am has used swear. And Ganesh sir has used complete. These are all main verbs. And Srikanth Mishra ji has used reach. So you need to write down these verb forms. This will enhance your confidence levels. These are the verbs which we usually use. So why should we use have to? It is used to indicate or to express necessity. Well, let us take a look at the first one. What does it indicate? Have got to indicate.
I've got it.
It is to indicate necessity come obligation, friends. Did you understand my point?
Yes, sir.
You can use either have got to or have to. But what is the speciality of have got to? Obligation can also be
Obligation.
expressed. కొన్ని బాధ్యతలు అనేటువంటి అంశాలను కూడా తెలియజేయచ్చు దీంతో. అవసరాలు మాత్రం చెప్పాలి అంటే Have to.
Have.
So here a small extension. You have used in all these sentences I and they. Look at this. Only I and they. How about has? Has to. This is also possible. Same meaning it gives. Where do we use has to? It's very pretty clear here. Just let me show this way. I have, we have, you have, they have, he has, she has, it has. Look at these points, and that's it. What do you understand? Have is what I, we, you, they. Has come for he, she, it. In some certain cases, when you have to describe not only about you, somebody, for example, for instance, a neighbor in our neighborhood, someone, he is suffering from fever. We suggest him to go to the hospital for checkup. Then you say, you have to go. If you want to say if it is an obligation, you can say, you have got to go to the hospital for checkup. You can also say, he has got to go to the hospital. He cannot be in this street. Corona is spreading fast. He has to go to the hospital. She has got to go to the hospital. That's their obligation. If they are not serious about checkup, other people will get contaminated in the nearest area. So that is obligation to save our lives also. So what are the obligations for us these days? Washing hands. We have got to wash our hands.
Yes, washing hands.
We have got to wear mask.
Wearing mask.
These are all very important tasks. We cannot forego. Advainandi, did you understand this concept? This is a beautiful formula, unlike any physics, chemistry formulas. Remember this and apply in your life. Only thing is you have to think, when you are talking, who is understood? Are you talking about yourself? Then you always use I. If you are talking about your spouse, like, ఆమె టెంపుల్కి వెళ్ళాలి, కారేది, కారు ఉంది, కీసేది, ఆమె టెంపుల్కి వెళ్ళాలి. యు ఆర్ టాకింగ్ అబౌట్ అతను టెంపుల్కి వెళ్ళాలి, మా పాప స్కూల్కి వెళ్ళాలి. మై డాటర్ హ్యాస్ గాట్ టు గో టు స్కూల్. Time is already running fast. We are running late. My daughter has got to go. This is her obligation. And it is also our obligation because we have to drop her.
Yeah.
No vegetables in the kitchen. The prices shot up. Dharalu premium. So announcements came. For the next 20 days, no vegetables. Today is the last day. Right, the bazaars are fully packed. Someone says in the family, ఏమండి ముందు మీరు ఏం చేయదు, మీ కాఫీ కూడా ఇయ్యరు, ముందు మీరు రైతు బజార్ otherwise no food for you. So we keep all items in the deep freeze aside, and we will make it empty, and we will bring at least 100 kgs of vegetable, because for the next 20 days, ma'am says, we have got to buy vegetables, not gold. Don't go to gold shop. Bring vegetables first. So this is how we can express. We need to understand అది అవసరమా బాధ్యత. రెండు అయితే have got to, has got to. If it is just a necessity, like, oh, I'm just eating something, I need water, I have to drink water, take water, you have to drink water, you are getting hiccups, like this. So this area looks shabby. This area looks shabby. No. I can't come into this place. You have to clean it. You have to clean it. Friends, this is 9 o'clock, I believe. So with this being said, we shall conclude today's session, and we shall discuss further on the same concept. It takes time, and what I can talk about is consistency in practice. సుస్థిరమైనటువంటి సాధన చేయాలి. మనమందరూ కూడా సుస్థిరంగా సాధించాలి. నాట్ 1 or 2 days. ఇంట్రెస్ట్ లెవెల్స్ షుడ్ బి సస్టైన్డ్. మన ఆసక్తి సన్నగిలకుండా ఎప్పటికీ అదే రకమైనటువంటి మంచి ఆసక్తిని కనబరుస్తూ వీ మస్ట్ గో ఫార్వర్డ్. If you do that, after some time, potentially the results would be rich. The outstanding results would be rich. You will be someone very unique, very, very special, very famous in your neighborhood and in your community, in your job circle. With this, I just would like to ask you to take leave of one another. Have a great day and stay healthy. Good night.
Thank you. Good night.
Thank you, sir. Good night.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Good night.